In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicate vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. If you've noticed that the same vendor was entered more than once in your company file. Don't worry. This is a common issue, and QuickBooks Desktop gives you a simple way to combine those duplicate records. Merging vendors helps keep your vendor list clean, reduces confusion, and makes reporting more accurate. Before you begin, just make sure you know which vendor record you want to keep as the main one and which duplicate you want to remove. Start by going to the top menu bar and clicking Vendors, then choose Vendors Später. This is where you can view and manage all of your vendors' records in one place. Once you're in the Vendor Center, look through the list and identify the primary vendor you want to keep. Then find the duplicate vendor entry that you no longer need. After that, right-click on the duplicate vendor and select Edit Vendor. This opens the vendor profile so you can make changes to it. The key part of this process is the vendor name field. In that field, change the duplicate vendor's name so that it matches exactly the name of the primary vendor you want to keep. Be careful here because the spelling must be identical. That includes spaces, punctuation, and any abbreviations. QuickBooks uses that exact match to recognize that you want to merge the two records. Once the name matches the primary vendor exactly, click OK or Save and Close. At this point, QuickBooks will display a warning message asking if you want to merge the records. This is expected, so go ahead and click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, QuickBooks will merge the duplicate vendor into the primary vendor record. That means the duplicate entry will be removed, and the information will be combined under the vendor you chose to keep. This is why it's important to double-check that you selected the correct duplicate before saving your changes. And that's it. The duplicate vendor has now been merged in QuickBooks Desktop. If you're cleaning up a long vendor list, take your time and review each entry carefully so you avoid merging the wrong records. A little attention here can save you a lot of cleanup later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.